Hi, this is Buddy Oliver, Vice President of Pro Audio and Automation at Aurora Multimedia. Continuing our discussion of our DTX DSP audio processor line and the dash software that controls it, today I'm going to be talking about how to add and remove channel modules and system modules from the DSP signal chain. So let's jump right into the software. Now I've already connected to my DTX 1616D. You can see that by the green LED in the tab here. And if you want to know how to do that, there's a previous video out that shows you how to get that connection established. But we'll jump right down in here, and on this top line all the way over to the left, you can see this pencil icon that when you hover says Edit Module. So if I click that now, I'm in edit mode. As I move my cursor around, you can see there's a red outline that outlines each of the modules, both in the input side and the output side. If I right click while that's highlighted, it gives me a list of options. I can delete the module, I can clear the entire channel, I can clear all channels if you just want to start from scratch with a blank slate. I'm going to skip these couple here for a minute, I'll show you that in a minute, but down here is additional modules listed that you can put in this slot. So let's just say I don't want an expander, I want a ducker. I'm going to change that ducker out, or expander out to a ducker. Let's go down here and say I want a 10-band graphic EQ instead of a 8-band parametric. All right, so now this channel you can see is different with a ducker and an EQ. Some of those other commands, I can copy this current channel. And let's just say I want to make channel 5 exactly the same. Now I can go to channel 5 and hit paste. And now both of those channels have a graphic EQ and a ducker. Now if I wanted to copy that to all channels, I can obviously go in here and hit copy to all channels. And now all of my input channels are set up the same way with those modules. Very clean and easy tool. Now the output side works the same way. You right click and you get the same options. But on the output, you'll have some different options in terms of what modules can go in there. Finally, there's one other change that you can make, and that's on a system DSP module, which is the gain sharing auto mixer. I can change that between gain sharing and a gating auto mix, which are two different auto mix formats, which are described in our user manual in pretty good detail, but they're also sort of industry standard things. I'm going to go into another video on some of those specifics, but for now I just wanted to show you that. So we're still in the yellow, everything's fine. If I'm finished up here, I have everything the way I want it. I'm just going to click the pencil again, get this little pop-up message which tells me I can finish, which means it's going to close this out, but it's going to separate the DSP. If I do not upload this now to the DSP, my interface and my DSP will be out of sync, and I don't want that. So if I hit finish, it's going to disconnect the connection to my DSP and allow me to continue to work as a unassigned template, which again, I'll get into how to use those templates in another video. But for now, I want this to save this to the DSP and maintain my connection. So I'm going to hit upload. That's going to upload that configuration change to my device. It's live and ready to go. Everything's up to date and in sync. I'm still in green, still connected. Well, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for joining.